Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a group chat in Messenger. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started. So first, tap on Messenger. Then tap on this icon. Then tap create a new group. Then select the friends that you want to add them to your group. For example, I add this friend and give a name for your group. For example, friends. Let's add some emoji. That's it. Then tap create. Perfect. Here you can change theme of your group. Tap theme. Here we have multiple themes. You can add anyone you like. For example, let's add this and tap select. If you want to add more friends, just tap add and add anyone you want. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.